Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys my soft life, get our lives together maintenance vlog. I'm going to be doing my eyebrows, my nails, and a little bit of shopping, so let's get right into it. Good morning, guys. I'm just going to be starting off with my skincare routine. If you guys want to see my full skincare routine, I did do a video on it a couple weeks back. Yeah, just gonna be getting ready for the day and then heading out to the gym. My lashes were looking crazy, oh my goodness. So I'm just gonna be brushing my edges back. I no longer do my edges with any kind of gel because it damages them. I really love to start off my day with reading the Bible just a little bit, just to start off the day with God and also starting it on a positive note and being optimistic about the day. I then head to the gym and do a little bit of cardio, do a little bit of abs. During this time, the gym was so packed, so I kind of just stayed on the treadmill a little bit longer than I usually would, but it didn't stop me from doing a really good workout. So it is the next day and I decided to do a little bit of shopping. I also invited Sunjin with me because y'all, I am not a Zara person. She really is the go-to Zara person, so I decided to bring her and help me go through this shopping process because, guys, I do not like shopping. So I knew she'll handle my stubbornness in this process. I just got a pair of jeans, a dress, and a shirt. Sunjin really said I wouldn't be able to fit in those jeans, but y'all, you're gonna know real soon. We both underestimated how small my waist was. Like, you guys, when I tried on these jeans, I was so shook on how well they just fit me. Like, y'all, look at that. Look at that. Like, I did not even have to squeeze in them. Y'all, they looked so good. We then moved on to Nike. These shoes were so good, guys, but I also found another pair of shoes that were so good I couldn't choose between the two. Y'all, I got both pairs of shoes. My crazy ass really got both pairs of shoes. I'm really a shoe person, not really a shopping person. We both went into Sephora. I kind of needed to restock on some of the stuff that I needed, and so did Sunjin. I also wanted to expand on my perfume collection, so I just tried to look for stuff that I would like, a little bit more floral or fruity, you know, something to explore. But the Tom Ford Soleil de Blanc, what? I was like, I'm coming back for you. I really need to get what I need so that I don't go overboard in Sephora. And now for a little bit of self-care. I get my brows done with Shay, Beauty by Shay. She does my brows so good. For my brows, I did a tint and a little bit of a trim because my brows were growing like squirrels. Like, I don't understand why I let my brows grow that much. But I'm just gonna be leaving the rest of the video to show you guys how she did my brows. I would normally go for a tint. I usually do a tint on a normal basis so that my brows looking a lot more thinner and a lot more darker so that they give the illusion of a perm. I don't even know if that's how you say the correct terminology. I'll probably find it on her page and show it on the screen here, but yeah, so enjoy the rest of the tutorial. For more self-care, I went to Lavish Beauty Bar. Y'all already know this is like my go-to lash place. Like, there is no other lash place I would rather go. The place is just so calming and relaxing. They also offer like coffee, champagne if you're ever getting your nails or a pedicure done, whatever you like. I'll let you guys know later on in the video how my lashes turned out, but guys, in the meantime, I had to fix my nails. My nails were not looking good at all, so I asked one of the nail techs, Kira, to fix my nails right after I got my lashes done. I love the way my nails turned out. It's a lot more different than how I regularly do my nails, but it was really giving classy. Now it is time to unwind after a long day. Yeah, I really thought that the heat was not coming out of the hot comb, so I had to double check. But since I was going somewhere the next day, I decided to just install my wig right away so I don't have to worry about installing it properly in the morning. For my night routine, I'm just going to be using my Tula skincare. Yeah, I really drenched my lashes, yo. I didn't even get a chance to show you guys, but yeah, but as you guys can see, I did my lashes very voluminous so that it could last a little longer. The simplest way for me to dry my lashes is with the blow dryer, so I'm just going to be blow drying my lashes with the blow dryer. For toning my skin, I use the Clinique Clarifying Lotion. Trust me guys, it is a toner. I think I got it from Shoppers Drug Mart, but if you guys are not from Canada and don't have a Shoppers, you can also get it at Sephora. I think it's pretty much the same price, but mind you guys, the smell is very strong. It's very alcoholic. Y'all already know this is like my go-to moisturizer. This is like the only moisturizer my skin has really liked over the past couple of years, so I would usually continue with the same one. I'm just going to be rubbing it out onto my skin. Put on my Laneige sleep mask right before I go to sleep. This is like a little bit after I brush my teeth and put on my retainer to just keep my lips moisturized. I don't know if anybody else wears perfume while they're sleeping, but I do just a little bit on my wrists and on my neck to keep myself, I don't know, like clean, I guess. But thank you for watching today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next one.